Hi, it's me again, Mrs. C, and today we're going to be talking about patterns. We're going to be learning about ABC patterns. If you've watched my other videos, you should already know what an AB pattern is. That's when we have two things that repeat, two colors or two objects or two shapes that repeat. An ABC pattern is when we have three things that repeat. So we're going to look at some different examples of ABC patterns, some of them using shapes, some of them using colors, some of them using letters. It's important for us to know about patterns and to be good at figuring out patterns because that helps us to be better at predicting, and it also is going to help us when we get to some higher level math skills later on. So let's get started. We're going to start with a color pattern, and it's going to have three colors. Watch as I have them appear here. Green, blue, red. Green, blue, red. What would come next? Green, blue, red. Green, blue, red. Green. And what would come next? Green, blue, red. Green, blue, red. Green, blue, and finally red to complete our pattern. Now we're going to look at a letter pattern, and this is called an ABC pattern, so I'm going to use the letters A, B, C to represent our pattern. So we're going to start with the letter A, and then B, and then C, and those are going to repeat. A, B, C, and what's going to come next? A, then B, and then finally C to complete our pattern. Here's a shape pattern. We have a purple square, a purple star, and a purple triangle. Square, star, triangle, and what's going to come next? Square, star, triangle, square, star, triangle, square, star, triangle. And how about this one? This one's kind of a tricky one because they're all squares and they're all red, but if we look at their sizes, we can see that their sizes are what is making the pattern. So here we have a small square, a medium square, and a large square. Small, medium, large, small, medium, large. And how are we going to complete our pattern? Well, let's go back to the beginning and look again. We have small, medium, large, large. So the next should be small, then medium, then large. And this pattern has colors and sizes and shapes mixed together. So let's take a look. We have a large yellow circle, a small yellow circle, and a rectangle. Large circle, small circle, rectangle. And how are we going to finish it? Large circle, small circle, rectangle. Large circle, small circle, rectangle. Large circle, small circle, rectangle. Good. And our final pattern is really kind of confusing because there's lots of different colors, but if we try to ignore the colors and just think about the shapes, that's going to help us to figure it out. So we have a large triangle, a large square, and a small square, a large triangle, a large square, and a small square. And let's look at all of our options here. How are we going to finish it? Large triangle, large square, small square. Large triangle, large square, small square. Large triangle, large square, small square. Very good. So now you know what an ABC pattern is. That means there are three things, three colors, or three objects, or three shapes that repeat to make our pattern. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.